Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're looking at how to use Claude AI for free. So as you can see, Claude has a free plan that is free for everyone forever alongside the Pro and Max plans. But the free plan is enough to get started with, and it's really easy to sign up. And you can use it to chat with Claude, generate code and visualize data, write, edit and create content, analyze text and images, and a lot more. So if you want to sign up for free, you can do that from the home page and clicking on Try Claude in the top right hand corner, or from the pricing page on the free section. I'm going to sign in so you can follow along with me. So I'm going to click on Try Claude. And you have different ways to log in. You can log in using your email or with your Gmail account. So I'm going to continue with Google. I'm going to choose an account I want to sign up to, a free account with Claude. And I'm going to click on that one. Then it will ask you to click continue. And then I'm going to create my free account. So I'm going to add in my name. And it asks for your date of birth, so I'm going to add that in. And it will ask you to agree to their consumer terms and policies. And you could also click to subscribe to their updates. Then I'm going to click on Create Account. It'll ask you to verify your phone number, so I'm going to add that in, and it will send a verification code. So I'm just going to look on my phone for the verification code. So let me type that in. 649576. Click on verify. And I am now signed up for a free Claude account. So it says, hey there, I'm Claude. I'm your AI assistant, working, imagining, and deep thinking. Here's a few things you should know about me. Ask me anything, add free chats, and you can improve Claude for everyone. So you can either put this on or off. Then you click I understand, and it will ask you a few questions about what you're looking to use Claude for. So I might put in something like, what should I put in? So maybe design. And if you're a student, you can click on that you're a student, click continue, and it will ask you a few questions about that. So you can either click get started if you want to do code work, or get started with Claude Code if that's what you're interested in, or just click continue with chat. So we're just going to continue to use Claude for free. So I'm going to click on that, and you can either download it onto your Windows account, and I'm just going to click skip for now, and then you should be taken to your main page. So as you can see, I'm on the free plan, and that's how you start using Claude AI for free. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.